Hey guys, John from J&J Auto Wrecking here, coming at you with a test video for L3FD324. This is our 2003 Ford Thunderbird. A very nice car, came to us in a front-end collision. The world's nicest Lincoln LS. 3.9 liter under the hood, running smooth, guys. I do not know the mileage offhand. We're gonna figure it out as soon as we get inside. That engine cover is for sale. We're going to take it off, ceramic coat it, recondition it. We know how rare they are, so we will get it in pristine condition for you guys. Obviously the hood is no good, but took a light tap, and due to the rarity of these cars, I'm pretty sure they could not find any parts for it. I don't know what happened up there. Maybe they hit a deer. Ah, that would make sense. That looks like a deer strike to me. Okay. Like I said, guys, a lot of really nice parts on this car. Nice door mirror. The doors are in good condition. The interior is in very nice shape. This convertible hardtop assembly is very nice as well. I've never seen one with this in person. Just a little bit of dirt on it overall, but a quick buff job would make this thing really check out. Rear end just shows some minor wear, some load scuffs on the bumper there. Nothing like I said, a quick buff would really do this thing wonders. Deck lid's in good shape. Don't see any pings on it. Third brake light panel works as designed. Let's step inside here. Okay, 97,000 miles, not bad. I figured it was kind of low. Overall, this car is in very good condition inside. We're gonna have the Thunderbird dash trim for sale. Nice set of Thunderbird seats. I'll get out and check the driver's one here in a second. Let's test the window regulators. Driver up and down. Passenger up and down. CD player, or it's working right now. Radio, sorry. Climate control, let's turn that on, get that going. Let's get 88. Oh, it won't let me. No dead pixels in that. Cluster, let's see if the she lights up. Yep, get the dimmer going. Cluster lights up, no dead backlights. I know that's a common problem on this generation of Thunderbird. Steering wheel's actually pretty nice too. It's got a nice wood top. No distinctive wear in the leather. Nice wood shift knob. Let's go ahead and test out the transmission now. Drive. Reverse. There we go. Can I take this top off? I'm not sure how to get this top off, guys, so I'm not going to mess with it. One thing I noticed is the heated... Oh, there we go. Heated seats working there. I got a bad heated seat switch on my side. Alrighty, I think that's gonna wrap up this one. We'll check out that driver's seat I was talking about. There's the driver's door panel, nice condition as well. You guys got like a Southern T-Bird that lived its life with the top down. This car would be an excellent donor for an interior. Driver's seat's only got some minor wear on it. Alrighty guys, that's gonna wrap it up for L3FD324, our 2003 Ford Thunderbird Lincoln LS 3.9 liter V8 engine test video. All the parts off this Thunderbird and a couple more we've got in the yard can be found on our website, www.jnjautoracking.com. Give us a call, 800-425-1555 if you're not a huge fan of the internet, but you're on YouTube. So who knows, guys? On that note, we're out.